Hello everyone, this is Advocate Radhika Sharma. So in this video we're gonna discuss the grounds or the condition जब एक temporary injunction reject हो सकता है. So the circumstances in which a temporary injunction is granted is governed by Order 39, Rule 1 of the CPC 1908. And thus it become imperative to discuss the intentions when a temporary injunction can be rejected. And there are some grounds by which the temporary injunction can be rejected. Like the first ground is restrain any person from prosecuting a judicial proceeding at the institution of the suit in which injunction is sought, unless restraint is necessary to prevent multiplicity of proceeding. And the second ground to restrain कर रहे हैं किसी भी पर्सन को इंस्टीट्यूट करने से और प्रोसिक्यूट करने से किसी भी प्रोसीडिंग को कोर्ट में, एंड नॉट सबऑर्डिनेट टू दैट फ्रॉम विच इंजंक्शन उनको सॉर्ट हो चुका है, हो गया है. And the third ground is to restrain any person from applying to any legislative body. And the next is restrain करना कर रहे हैं किसी भी person को इंस्टीट्यूट करने से और प्रोसिक्यूट करने से किसी भी proceeding को in a criminal matter, and to prevent the breach of a contract, the performance of which could not be specifically enforced, to prevent on the ground of nuisance an act of which it is not reasonably clear that it will be a nuisance. And the next is to prevent a continuing breach in which the plaintiff has acquiesced. And when equally efficacious relief can certainly be obtained by any other usual mode of proceeding except in case of breach of trust, and when the conduct of the plaintiff or his agents has been such as to disentitle him to assistance of the court. And the last one is when the plaintiff has no personal interest in the matter. So that's all the grounds जहाँ पे temporary injunction reject हो सकता है. So that's all for today. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching us.